Dear student, today we are in our lecture number 6, coordination compound. An example number 9.3 we are going to discuss. Write the IUPAC name of the following coordination compounds. Write the IUPAC name from given formula. A. First of one, PT NH3 twice Cl NO2 and bracket over. Here you can see charge is 0. There is no any counter ion. Nitro having -1, chloride -1, amine 0. For getting total 0, platinum should be 2 plus 2. Okay. Here is ligand 3 and metal. So first comes ligand. In return, we have to follow alphabetical order. So amine, chloride and nitro. So A comes first 2 times. So di amine. C chloride. Don't leave space here. Diamine, chloride. Then nitrito. N. Why? N is donating electron pair. Nitrito N. Then platinum. It is here not allowed, but charge is not 0, neutral, so only platinum. In Roman digit, the oxidation number 2. Second one, K3 Cr C2O4 thrice bracket over. Which one is counter ion? Potassium. Potassium having charge +1, so 3 having +3. So here will be -3. Oxalate has -2 charge. So 3 has -6. For getting -3, chromium will be 3 plus. Yes. In the IUPAC name, positive part comes first. So potassium. Here is 3, but only potassium, not tri. Only potassium. Then after metal and ligand, this part. So first comes ligand trioxalato. 3 times trioxalato. Then species this coordinate entity is negative charge. So not chromium but chromate 8. We have to apply there chromate and in Roman digit oxidation number. This is the name. Now third one is given like this. Third one is given like this. COCl2, then En2 and Cl. You can see our Cl is counter ion. For balancing charge -1 plus 1 0, -2 here will be +3. So positive part comes first. Here metal and ligand. So first of all ligand and alphabetical order. Here C chlorido comes first. Di chlorido. Here is bis. Why bis? Here is a number comes. Ethane 1 to diamine. Here di comes, so di is not applicable here. We have to take bis. Ethane 1 to diamine. Then after cobalt. Cobalt as it is. Why? This species is a positive charge, cobalt 3. Then after, this is not a ligand but counter ion. So not chloride like this. This one ligand, this one counter ion. So chloride. Now fourth one, CONH3 CO3 and Cl. Here is minus plus carbonato, amine 0, neutral. For getting plus 1, here should be plus 3. So metal, this part comes first in nomenclature, metal and ligand. So first of ligand, and due to alphabetical order, A, amine, carbonate C. So A comes first, penta, amine, carbonato, cobalt, then after metal. And oxidation number 3, not cobaltate, only cobalt. Why? Positive species, cobalt 3, and counter ion, chloride. Now HgE, ABCDE, E is given, Hg, CO, SCN4, here is plus 1, minus 1. One thiocyanate having minus 1, so total having minus 4. Getting minus 1 of this total, here should be plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cut, remaining minus 1. Here is mercury. Mercury 1. Metal, oxidation number 1, mercury 1. Then metal and ligand. So then after ligand, tetrathiocyanato. Tetrathiocyanato. Yes. Negative O is applicable. Then negative species. So not cobalt but cobaltate. Then Roman digit, there is 3. Understood? Now, in next point, in-text question. Write the formula. In-text question 9.1. In-text question 9.1. First of all, write the formula from the given name. This is very simple. Tetraamine diaqua, tetraamine diaqua, tetraamine diaqua, cobalt 3 and chloride. We have to start from here, central metal atom. So cobalt 3, clear? Then diaqua tetraamine. So amine comes first. Na3 4 times. Diaqua, H2O twice. Bracket over, plus 3 0 0. Here plus 3. Then after counter ion. Chloride. So Cl minus having minus 1. So 3 times. This is our answer. Potassium, then after potassium tetracyanido, potassium tetracyanido, nickelate and 2 is given. So we have to start nickelate 2. Tetracyanido means cyanide 4 times. So here will be minus 2. Potassium as a counter ion comes plus 1. For balancing this charge, we have to take 2 times K2. So it will be plus 2 K2 NiCN4. Third one, tris ethane 1,2 tris ethane 1,2 diamine, chromium, and chloride. We have to start from here. Central metal, chromium 3. Tris means 3 times En. Charge is 0. So here will be plus 3. And counter ion chloride comes here, negative ion, plus 3. For getting minus 3, 3 times chlorine. This is rough work. Here is actual formula. CrEn3Cl3. Now fourth one is asked like this. Amine, bromido, chlorido, amine, bromido, chlorido, nitrito, and platinum. Platinate 2 is asked. Platinate 2. We have to start with the central atom. Platinum 2. Amine Am. Bromido B. Chlorido C. Nitrito. It is in sequence. Amine 1 times. Bromido 1 times. Chlorido 1 times. Nitrito N means NO2. -1, 0. Plus 2 and minus 3. So remaining -1 here. Yes, sir. Our species is negatively charged, so platinate comes. This is the proof for. Now fifth one is like this. Dichlorido, bis, ethane 1,2 diamine, whenever in ligand 1, 2 or numerals comes, so bis is applicable. Whenever it 2 times. Dichlorido, bis, ethane 1,2 diamine, platinum 4 and nitrate. Yes, we have to start with platinum 4. Then dichlorido, Cl2, bis, ethylene diamine, En2, here -2, 0, here +2, 2 chlorine having -2, 1 chlorine having -1, platinum +4 is given, En is neutral by charge, so +2, so So here nitrate means NO3. Nitrate is counter ion. So 2 times for getting neutral charge. Now 6th one, iron 3 means Fe. Hexacyanido, ferret 2. Ferret 2 is our central atom. Fe plus 2. Hexacyanido is ligand. Cn 6 times. So minus 6. Here will be minus 4. Iron 3 means Fe3 plus. But here charge is minus 4, here plus 3. Cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4 and 4 by 3. So Fe4, FeCN6 thrice like this. 4 3s are 12 plus 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Now it is balanced. So we have to multiply by these two positive and negative species by particular multiple value. Understood? Now in text question 9.2. In text question 9.2. Write the IUPAC name from the formula, which is very simple. CONA36 and Cl3. Yes, here 3 chloride as a counter, so minus 3, otherwise 3 minus, both are same. Here is 3 plus amine neutral by charge, so here plus 3. First of all, positive part, metal and ligand, so ligand hexa amine, then after cobalt, not yet applicable because it is positive entity, cobalt Roman digit 3, and chloride, not tri, only chloride, which is counter ion, not a ligand. Second one, CONA35 Cl and Cl2 is given. 2 chloride having minus 2, here plus 2, minus 1 0, so here will be plus 3. First of all, positive part. In positive part, metal and ligand. So in written first ligand. Then it follows alphabetical order amine and chlorido. So amine, penta, amine, chlorido, cobalt, not 8, here is positive entity, cobalt 3, then this is counter ion, so only chloride. How many? It doesn't matter, only chloride. Third one is like this, K3FeCN6. Here positive part first, 3 potassium having plus 3. So this part having 3 minus. Understood? Balancing charge. 1 cyanide having minus 1, so 6 having 6 minus. So here will be 3 plus, addition will be minus 3. So Fe, oxidation number plus 3. First of all, potassium, which is counter ion. So don't write tri, only potassium. Then metal and ligand. So ligand comes first, hexacyanido. Here entity is negative, so not ferret, but ferret, 8, ferret, and 3. Now fourth one, K3, FeC2O4 thrice. Here is positive part, 3 plus 1 potassium having plus 1, so 3 means plus 3. Here 3 minus. 1 oxalate having minus 2 charge, so 3 having minus 6. So here will be 3 plus potassium trioxalato, yes, trioxalato. અહીંયા એક પણ વર્ડ ન્યુમેરિકલ્સ નથી, ડાયટ્રાઈ નથી, ઓક્ઝાલેટ એટલે ટ્રાયોક્ઝાલેટ. Then entities negatives of ferret in Roman digit 3. Yes. Then fifth one, K2 PdCl4 is given. 2 potassium, 2 plus, here 2 minus, 4 chlorido minus 4. So here will be plus 2. Why? Addition of both should be minus 2. Here potassium, metal ligand comes first, tetra chlorido palladium, so palladate, negative entity, palladate, and Roman digit 2. Now sixth one, PT NH3, PT NH3 twice Cl, CH3 NH2 and Cl. Here Cl is counter ion, plus positive part first, here 0 methylamine, methylamine, chlorido, amine. So this one comes first, minus 1, 0. For getting plus 1, here should be plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 gives plus 1. Yes. So here diamine, chlorido, methylamine, platinum, 2, and then counter ion chloride. This is our nomenclature. Student, we are in our new point, isomerism in coordination compounds. Everybody knows isomer. Whenever molecular formula are same but structural formula are different, isomerism organic માં આવે છે. Like this, isomerism comes in coordination compound. Isomers are two or more compounds that have the same chemical formula. Yes, chemical formula is the same, but different arrangement of atoms that differ in one or more physical or chemical properties. I am giving you example. NiNH3,2Cl2 is given. Here nickel combines with 2 chloride and 2 amine. Here 2 amine, 2 chloride are very close to each other. In another case, 2 chlorides are opposite to each other and amines are opposite to each other. So these two are isomers. Why? Same chemical formula, but different arrangement of atoms. and differ in one or more physical and chemical property. Understood? This is called isomers, and phenomenon is called isomerism. Isomerism occurs in a coordination compound. We will discuss about full detail. One or more physical property of these two isomers will be different. Two principal types of isomerism are known among coordination compound, each of which can be further subdivided. First of all, stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. Stereo and structural, main two, which are, once again tell me, stereoisomerism, main two type of isomerism in coordination compound. Which one? Stereoisomerism and structure, and each can be further subdivided. Yes, so stereoisomerism also two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In structural isomerism, there are four subdivided: linkage isomerism. Only remember name, full detail we will discuss about it. Ionization and solvent isomerism. These are the classification of isomerism of coordination compounds. Here student, we discussed there are two types of main isomerism: stereo and structure. In stereoisomers have the same chemical formula and chemical bond, but they have different spatial arrangement. Yes, first think about only this part. Stereoisomers have the same chemical formula and chemical bond, but they have spatial type arrangement. I am giving you. Suppose nickel is combining with ethylene diamine, like this, 2 chloride, 2 ethylene diamine and 2 chloride. Understood? Suppose this 2 ethylene diamine is here. With metal, with platinum, ethylene diamine and ethylene diamine is combining, and 2 chloride. Mirror image of this is like this. Here molecular chemical formula same. Both are only mirror image of each other. Left hand side on right hand side, right hand side on left hand side. Chemical bonds are same. Formula of PTEN2 and Cl2 also same. PtCl2En2, chemical formula same. Chemical bonds are same, only spatial arrangement are different. So stereoisomerism, it gives mirror image. Yes. And now in structural isomers have different bond. A detailed account given below. Yes, in structural isomerism, first of all, we are going to discuss geometric isomerism. This type of isomerism lies in a heteroleptic complex due to different possible geometric arrangement of the ligands. Important example of this behavior are found with coordination number 4 and 6. This type of isomerism arises in heteroleptic. Heteroleptic means you can see Pt is combining with 2 amine and 2 chloride. This is heteroleptic complex due to possible geometric arrangement of the ligands. Whenever coordination number 4 means our central atom is combining with a ligand by 4 coordinate covalent bond, otherwise by 6. So in the coordination number 4 and 6, this type of, and it should be heterolytic. If it is homolytic, then geometrical isomerism is not possible. Homolytic means all the ligands are same, so which is not possible. This type of 4 and 6 in a square planar. Yes, store in your mind. Whenever coordination number is 4, so it should be, there should be 2 possibilities. One of them is a tetrahedral and one of them is a square planar. So in tetrahedral, geometrical isomerism possible nothing. In only square planar having coordination number 4, geometrical isomerism possible. We are taking M is central metal and 2X and 2L. Here X and L are unidentate. It donates only one electron pair to the metal. So it gives geometrical isomerism. The 2 ligands X may be arranged adjacent to each other, means close to each other. These 2L are close to each other, so this one is cis isomer, or opposite to each other. If both X are opposite to each other and both L's are opposite to each other, so it should be trans. So 2 type isomers occurs of the having formula here, molecular formula same of both this, but spatial arrangement of the atoms ligands are different. If 2X are very close, 2L are close, here 2L and 2X are opposite to each other, so it should be trans. Now what about this Pt, Na3 twice and Cl2? Here you can see Pt, Na3 twice Cl2. Yes, it also gives 2 geometric isomer. Pt, Na3 twice Cl2. Here charge is 0. Amine neutral. 2 chloride minus 2. So here plus 2. Here 1 platinum combining with 2 chloride and 2 amine. 2 amines and 2 chloride are very close to each other. So this one is a cis isomer. If these 2 are here, then also these 2 amine here, these 2 chloride here, so same, cis. Suppose 2 amines are here, 2 chloride, this one cis also, cis. And now trans of it. 2 chloride are opposite to each other and 2 amines are opposite to each other. So this is a trans. This one is a cis. Like this, it gives a geometrical isomerism. Now we will discuss more about it in our next lecture. Till then, bye.